Today we're going to be doing Astros 1.2b4. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to solve these three problems. I'm not going to actually do it for you guys today. I want you guys to do it. Remember, you can always draw a picture or use crayons or counters or some other way to solve it. Miss Wright baked 12 cupcakes. She gave 6 cupcakes to her friends. How many cupcakes does Miss Wright have now? Well, I know she started with 12 cupcakes. I know she's going to give 6 cupcakes to her friends, so that means she's separating or losing 6 cupcakes. And we're looking for how many she has at the end. So we know she started with 12. We know she loses, or subtracting 6. So now we're trying to figure out how many she has left. Well, she had her 12. We'll do 6 and then 6. We'll take away 6. And I'm left with 6 more cupcakes. And that's reasonable because she's going to have less cupcakes than the 12 she started with. Bo has placed his number cards in order from least to greatest. He is missing 2 cards. Help him find the missing cards. 27, 32, something, 40, something, 47. Okay. So I know this first number has to be greater than 32, but less than 40. So I'm going to start with just looking at these first numbers. This cannot be it because 31 is less than 32. 35 is reasonable. 19 is less than 32. And 33 is reasonable. Now I'm going to look at the second number. I have 40. It has to be greater than 40, but less than 47. So 41 is greater than 40, but less than 47, but 31 is not there, so I'm going to cross that one out. 46 is greater than 40 and less than 47, so that would work. 35 is not greater than 40, and 39 is not greater than 40. So I know that this must be my answer. It must be 35 and 46, and I'm going to check if make sure it's reasonable. 27, 32, 35, 40, 46, 47. We're going to write the missing numbers. So I'm going to look at the pattern. 55 something, 65 something, 75 something. Well, I know they're counting by 5. So I'm going to go 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. I'm going to look at this one. 90 something, 97, 96 something, 94. But it looks like they're counting down. And it looks like they're counting down by ones because I see that 97, 96. So I know before 99 is 98. And I know 99, 98, 97, 96. So I know this must be 95, 94. And I can count this way as well to check my answer. 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. That is reasonable. Rebecca has 44 candy bars to give her friends. Mark the answer that shows how many she has. Okay, so I'm looking for 44 candy bars, which I know is 4 groups of 10 and 4 leftover ones. But I know it can also be represented a different way. So I'm going to immediately say, well, this is more than 44, so this cannot be the answer. I know this is more than 44, so I know it cannot be the answer. So it means it's either this one or this one. So I'm going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. That's 4 groups of 10, but 5 ones. So this cannot be the answer. So let's check this one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. That's 4 groups of 10 and 4 leftover ones. This is the answer. Fill in the table below. I have 100 plus 10 plus 5. So I know that would be 115. I could write that as 115. And if I did that in a pictorial form, I'd represent 100 with a giant square. The 10 is represented by a large rectangle, and the 5 will be represented by little squares or cubes. You can do either. So that represents 100 plus 10 plus 5 more, or 115. How many 10s and 1s are below? I'm going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I have 50 or 5 groups of 10s. I see 0 ones, so I know my number is 50. What number do the blocks represent? Well, I see 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So I know the blocks represent the number 26.